Wala naman akong kita. Ang ginagamit kong pagkain ngayon, yung retirement ko, malaki nga. Pero I am now 80.
Okay.
Kung mag-abot ako ng 90, saan ako kuha ng pera? You think that retirement can sustain medisina pati lifestyle ko?
Ano lifestyle mo, Mayor?
Iyot.
Sir, given your fracture, but you are part of the whole, what is the equation?
Gantod ka nun?
Iyot.
Gusto ba na nagagabihin na, Mayor, given the fracture, but you are still part of the whole, what is the equation?
No more. Leave me. Ayaw ko na. I'm just give a statement and bahala kayo.
Mayor, what do you expect after meeting with some of the military officials o officers? Yung sinasabi. What do you expect from them after the meeting? After meeting them?
Military?
Yes po.
Expectation. Wala ako sa military. Sabihin ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila that they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict, na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi alam nila yan. And they can always check it out to the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kanilang trabaho yan protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if we protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo. Yun ang masunod.
Will you ask the military that question, Mayor?
Again?
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now? Na the protector, are you going to ask them that?
Sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking. I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. And that itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information Saan na naman ang pera namin? So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong, the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then, and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito, PhilHealth, contribution namin ito sa individual. Kayo wala hindi sa PhilHealth. Tanungin ko sa iyo ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So yung ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo, saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan? Ayuda. Hindi mo man ibigay yan sa tao kasi ginakuha yan sa bulsa natin para sa kung magkasakit tayo. If you spend it for some other way, that is malversation. And that I will tell ang sundalo, sabihin ko sa kanya, that is malversation.
Do you demand PhilHealth na mag-explain ito? Yung PhilHealth, do you demand na mag-explain ito sa public? Because of this?
Yes.
Mag-explain ako sa public?
And then,
Bubulahin kayo niyan.
Mayor, nag-comfort kayo kay VP Inday after nung Thursday na
Wala ka kayo. Tugas ang babae yan. Kamaldita niyan. Dood lang.
What's your
Kaya
reaction sa
niya.
sinabi ng administration na hindi daw kayo isasubmit sa ICC, but if you are willing daw, makikipag-coordinate daw sila?
I heard Mr. Marcos say that if he wants to submit himself to the ICC, we cannot do anything. Mr. Marcos, Presidente ka man, look at it, wala akong problema, insignificant rin ako dyan eh. But if you are going to recognize ICC, you're eroding the sovereignty of the country. Mas mabuti pa, wag ko lang idama yung bayan. Pack up na lang ako, tapos kung may mag-tweet na taga-ICC, bigyan ako ticket. Doon ako sa korte nila, mag-exhibition ako. Sabihin ko lang sa ICC, sino ang taong pinatay ko, pinakauna? Anong pangalan? Saan? Anong ginamit ko? At anong rason? Tapos, sinong pangalan ng tao na pinatay ko last? Bago umalik ako pagka-presidente? Saan? Bakit? At anong ginamit ko?
So you're willing to face the ICC?
Ay,
So kung
at yung pinakagitna, nasabi mo, kung pinatay ko, kailan ang birthday noon?
To investigate?
So what I said that I ordered the killings?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Tinanong mo sana, sino, saan, paano, at anong araw. Kasi yung kamatayan tayo, kada patay niyan, tatanong kita kung ano ang nangyari.
Thousands yun.
O ano, pag-preparar ka ng, hindi kayo pwede maglay.
But on the investigation na binubuo ng DOJ,
Di,